In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature in Bluebeam. So there's actually a bunch of different ways. I'm going to show you two of them right now. The first one is you can go to Tools up top, and then over here, hover over Signature, and then you can click on Sign Document. Whenever you do this, you'll have to basically select where you want to sign it. So for example, over here, top right, I'm going to just draw in this rectangle that actually will allow me to actually add a signature. So I'm gonna release it. There we go. As you can see, this is now the signature field. And then from here, you can either browse for existing digital ID files on your computer. You could go ahead and create a new digital ID file by going ahead and typing in your name, organization unit, name, email, etc., and then clicking OK. Or you could go ahead and then create this with Windows Certificate Store. It's completely up to you, and whenever you create one, click on Next and OK, and you'll be able to go ahead and add your signature in here that way. So that's the first way. The second one is by actually going up here, go into Tools again, and then here you want to hover over Markup, and then go to the very bottom where it says Image, and you can go from File over here, and you can basically just add an image in here, which is basically an image of your signature. So if you've basically done a signature, for example, let's say you've done an autograph or a signature on a piece of paper, and you've taken a picture of that or scanned it or whatever, you could go ahead and do it like that, click on it, click on Open, and then it's going to get added over here onto your document. You can position it, and then you can have that as your signature. So those are the two ways. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.